Gonna harvest another sunflower head, one of my big guys from the west side of my garden. One of my grandpa's. The birds have already started eating on the top of the sunflower, but it's ready for harvest, definitely. So come on with me. My seeds. I'm back. I'm ready to attack, as it were. I got to decide what to do with these sunflower seeds that are up on these heads that were 13, 12, 11 feet high, and if I'm going to get a ladder and try to harvest them without cutting them off, which I would prefer to do, or I'm going to have to cut them off. So maybe you can help me decide here. These are the heads up here. There's actually 5 heads that I want to harvest. I just realized I've got my slippers on. This is going to be a little tricky. Starting to rain a little bit, and that ladder, as you saw, didn't fit real good. We'll give it a try. Okay, I'm going to try to harvest this other head that's not as far up in the air, and we'll see how I do. Look at this, there's still a little flower coming out there. The birds got some of these, which is cool. I want the birds to eat as many seeds as they want, but they can't get them all because they're on the bottom sides of these flowers, plants. If that makes sense. Okay, that's about it for this flower and this head. Okay, I'm ready to harvest my third sunflower head for today as the rain holds off. And leave this guy. This is from row, I think this is row 4. This is one of my biggest flowers in row 4. I don't think the birds were able to get to this one very easy either. So let's do it. Okay. That's all my seeds so far today. Got a bunch. Something like that. my bigger sunflower heads. The seeds aren't, like I said, quite as dry coming out, so they're harder to get out. But they're good seeds. Row 4, row 4. Okay, here's the deal. I think I'm going to leave the taller ones for now and let the birds continue eating around the sides of them. I don't have the heart to pull them down. Plus, I don't want to cut them down. I wanted to harvest them up in the air. But with the rain coming down, I think we'll wait for another day as we continue harvesting, gardening with Larry, the harvest. As Hurricane Rosa pushes up from the Baja and feeds all this moisture into the atmosphere. And I see some birds in the trees there, in the bush. So it's kind of a gloomy day. But let's leave them for now, okay? Good decision.
Talking politics, blonde and redhead chicks, old dogs and new tricks and habits we ain't kidding. We talked about God's grace and all the hell we raised. Then I heard the old man say, God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy. God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy.
I keep it knocking, but you can't come in. Keep it knocking, but you can't come in. Keep it knocking, but you can't come in. Come back tomorrow night and try it again. They say you love me, but you can't come in. They say you love me, but you can't come. Ooh.